Dear students, next topic from the chapter triangle is some properties of triangle. So this is also called the property or the theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means the opposite angle of equal side, the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and should be the two angles also equal. That angle should be the opposite angle of equal side. That one you have to prove. So how can you prove it? You have to take a triangle ABC. Which type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. So first of all, you take a triangle ABC where any two sides of the triangle are equal. Here AB equal to AC. Okay. Then next you have to construct a bisector from A on BC. Bisector of angle A, that means bisect means equally divide, that means this line segment equally divide the angle A. So angle BAD equal to CAD because it is the bisector. AD is the bisector of angle A. Clear? Now you have to prove these two triangles are congruent triangle. So you have to take the triangle ADB and ADC. So from triangle, these two triangle, what you can find the criteria to fulfill the criteria? AB equal to AC. It is given because this is an isosceles triangle. Then you can find BAD equal to CAD. Okay, why? From the construction, you constructed it. Clear? Third one is AD equal to AD. AD equal to AD, which is common for both the triangle. So these are the three criteria. So what you find? This one and this one is equal. This angle and this angle is equal. This side is common for both the triangle. So by the criteria side, angle, side, you can say that these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then by the CPCT you can say that angle B equal to angle C. So angle B and angle C are opposite angle of AC and AB. So it is proved. Okay. Next theorem, you see. Next theorem is the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Here it is given the sides opposite to equal angle. That means in the previous one the sides are equal. Here it is given the angles are equal. And you have to prove the opposite sides also equal. Okay. So you have to prove this one similar to this. In that case, in second case, you have to take the two triangle are equal. Two angle are equal. Clear? So in that case, you take this equal to this equal to this, and this equal to this. You can prove this one also. Okay? Or you can take this one and this one because this is the angle bisector and this line segment. So angle, side. Clear? You can also draw the perpendicular bisector. At that time, you can find this angle equal to this angle and this side. So in several ways, you can prove the triangle are congruent. Okay? Next, see one example. In triangle ABC, what is given? Triangle ABC. the bisector AD of angle A. AD is the bisector of which one? Angle A. Is perpendicular to side BC. That means this one is the perpendicular on the side BC. So when it is given it is perpendicular, so obviously this one angle make here 90 degree. Okay. Show that AB equal to AC. This side equal to this side you have to show. And triangle ABC is isosceles. That means wherever these two sides are equal, then obviously this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now you have to take these two triangle, and taking these two triangle you have to prove these two triangle are congruent. So in triangle ABD and ACD, what is given? Always you find from the question what criteria are given, what conditions are given in the question. You have to take all the conditions. Okay. So BAD equal to CAD. You can find it. Why? Because bisector AD of angle A. So hence it is bisect angle A. So obviously this angle equal to this angle. So it is given. You can find AD equal to AD common, because AD is the common side of both the triangles. So AD equal to AD. Clear? Another condition is perpendicular. That means here it make 90 degree. So you find angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. It is also given in the question. So this one, three criteria already you find out. Okay. So this angle equal, this side equal, this angle also equal. So what is the criteria? Angle, side, angle. So by angle, side, angle rule or criteria, you can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Clear? Therefore, hence these two triangles are congruent. So AB equal to AC. Why? By CPCT. What is the full form of CPCT? Congruent, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Clear? So therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. See this one, this example. An isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. This one is given, AB equal to AC. D and E are points on BC. This D and E are 2 points on BC, such that another condition is given, what? BE equal to CD. Okay. What you have to show? AD equal to AE. AD equal to AE. This one you have to show. And always you remember what you have to show from the question. Okay, very carefully you have to show it. You have now. So according to this, now this is a triangle, na? So always you have to first you have to prove the triangles are congruent. So now see AD and AE. Now you have to search AD and AE, the side of which two triangle? AD is the side of triangle ADC and AE is the side of triangle ABC. So also AD is the side of ABD and AE is the side of ACE. Okay. So you have to take that two triangle and prove it that two are congruent. Okay. So say triangle ADB and ACE, which are equal, you can find out. One is AB equal to AC, it is given. Another is angle B equal to angle C. Why? It is not given in the question. Angle B equal to angle C. If AB equal to AC, so obviously you can say that opposite angle of equal sides from the theorem. So angle B equal to angle C. Okay. Another is given BE equal to CD. BE equal to CD. Now BE you can write BE minus DE, and CD you can write CD minus DE. Okay, both side you subtract DE. Clear? Both side you subtract DE. So after subtraction, what you find? This side, this minus this, you can find BD. This minus this, you can find CE. So obviously what you find? The third side. This one already you know this is equal in the question. This one also you can say equal. Now you find another criteria, this side. So by side angle side, you can say these two triangles are congruent. So obviously other sides and other angles also equal. So AD equal to AE by CP CT. Okay. So like that you have to solve all the questions.